Here's another must-have tool for those of you who loves coffee or tea. This is the stainless steel French press coffee maker from Tiken. And I would like to thank Tiken for sending this product for the purpose of this review. And I'm very excited to show you how this thing works. But before that, let's check what's in the box.
Right here is the instruction manual. Please read this manual before using this product for proper usage and safety instructions so you don't burn yourself. And now for the stainless steel French press. It is 9 inches tall and 6.73-inch maximum width, and with a maximum water capacity of 34 ounces. Right on the top is the silicone heat-resistant cover, and you will need this to protect yourself when the cover is really hot. The cover is also made of stainless steel material and a grill-type spout opening. You also caution that this cover can get really hot. That's why you need that silicone heat-resistant cover. The round plunger is made of plastic, and it has rubber on the side to keep the liquid from seeping through. And the mesh is made of very fine metal material that creates an effective barrier against coffee grounds. This plastic handle that is connected to a stainless steel rod will stay cold, so no worries of burning yourself as you push down the plunger. And now it's time to make some coffee. So I'm just brewing some hot water right now, and I just want to show you that there is a marker for the maximum amount of water that you can put in. And for the amount of coffee will depend on the brand that you're using, so make sure you refer to your manufacturer's recommendation. In my case, I have to use 5 tablespoons, and I already got 2 in there. And now it's time to put in the hot water. As you can see, I just put in the hot water just below the maximum mark. So I'll just put in a little bit more and stir it a little bit to break up any clumps and extract more flavor. Then we'll wait for 3 to 4 minutes for the coffee to steep. So it's been 4 minutes. Now it's time to put in the plunger. And for your safety, make sure that the sprout opening is facing away from where you're standing. So now the cover is going to get hot. So we need the silicone heat resistant before pushing down the plunger. And make sure to stop when it becomes too difficult to push down the plunger. It doesn't need to go all the way down. Now the coffee is ready. And to show you how effective the insulation of the body of this French press, I'm holding it on the body right now, and it's not hot and it is safe to touch. Just don't touch the opening where the coffee is coming out. That part is a bit hot. With the insulation being that effective, it will surely keep your coffee hot for hours. Just make sure to clean it after each use, which is very easy to do because this French press is dishwasher safe. I really like its simple yet modern design. And the size is compact enough that I can bring this to work and keep it on my desk or even bring it when camping. And with its shatter-proof and rust-proof stainless steel body on both interior and exterior, this French press will definitely last for many years.
So guys, this is the stainless steel French press coffee maker from Tiken. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.